Hi guys! Today I'm very excited to do the first unboxing video on my channel. You already know what is it because you saw the title, obviously. Yes, we've got the drone. That was kind of unexpected. I mean, yes, I was thinking about the drone for so long, and in fact I was planning to buy one this autumn, but Nir took things in his hands and he just bought it. Basically, he just bought it. This is DJI combo. We bought it in Israel and it costed 2,595 shekels. Let's talk about the basic technical specification. It records in Full HD. It has 12 megapixels camera, which records 30 frames per second. It's compatible with iOS and Android. Maximum speed 31 miles per hour. Maximum flight time 16 minutes. Full charging time 80 minutes. And we have a combo, means we have a spare battery, we have the joystick controller. So well, let's unpack it, yeah? Okay, first thing, we have piece of cardboard. And inside we have books with manuals, basically. Propeller guards, remote controller, quick start guide, battery charging hub. Well, basic as always. The next thing that was in the box is this bag. You know, I like it because every time you buy something you have to buy an extra bag and there is a problem if it fits, if it doesn't. The professional ones tend to be pretty pricey, so I'm very happy it has its bag, and bag itself, I would say, I like it. Even the design is not tacky, you know. So in the bag we have a piece like that, which is obviously a charger. Yeah, this is what I'm happy about. So as you can see, you've got the controller. What is nice, you unfold it this way and here you put your tablet or your smartphone, so you see exactly what the drone is doing. Proper guards. So as for the beginners, as we are, this is essential. Yeah, this is another set of two. Okay, we've got the USB wire, obviously the piece of charger, and another wire. Okay, this is the drone here. Very excited. Wow. So maybe let's start with the extra battery, which is very useful, obviously, because the drone, as I mentioned, flies for maximum 16 minutes and the charging time is 80 minutes. Always when I go traveling, I like to have spare batteries for everything. For example, for the camera I'm recording my vlogs, I always have 3 fully charged batteries. We have 2 small boxes like that, spare propellers. Very useful because I have this impression it's quite gentle. So in the beginning for sure we'll break it. Good to have spare ones. And the drone itself. Isn't that cute, no? You know why I like it? Because it's small. So when we travel and when we fly abroad, we don't want to have a huge drone that we have to have the extra bag for it. This one will perfectly fit in the bag that I showed you before. I think the only small thing I would like to have in a drone, that these pieces would be folded, so it would be even smaller, so I could just actually put it in my bag. So you can see we've got sensors here. This is also a sensor, and the camera. It's also a very light thing, so I would say battery is the heaviest piece of this drone. And if I'm not mistaken, it weighs 300 grams. We've never used a drone before. So let's go outside and let's check, and we'll give you our first impression. Okay, so we are out to fly our drone for the first time. As you can hear, this remote is making this strange sound. We don't know if it's gonna stop. But well, we connected the thing. So you might see, we see what the camera sees on my smartphone. We are using Huawei P10 and now we'll do the takeoff. We are just pressing, we need to swipe and the drone took off. Wow!
Finally!
Finally, the beeping stopped.
Okay!
Oh. I'll take a look at this recording.
Maneuver it back to us, to our direction. Yeah. Yeah, and here it is, just above us again. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, let's do some 360. Try. Okay, working. Straight against the sun. Ooh, that's a big sun. Now I'm playing with this button here, rotating it left and right. It should move the camera up and down. So let's see. Yeah, now the camera is down. Maybe it will see us now. Now we are on the other direction. Okay, a bit up.
28.5.
Oh, 28.5 here. This is the altitude in meters. Wow, it looks way more than this. Wow.
It tells us that this is high wind. There is high wind, but well. Yeah, what I like about this drone, even there is wind and it's quite shaky, the footage is quite smooth. So it has pretty nice gimbal. That's a bit far away. 52 meters far.
Wow.
That's a bit far.
Wow, that looks big. Okay, let's take it down a bit. Just for the feeling that it's not going away from us.
So what about taking a selfie? We can take a selfie now.
Oh yeah, let's do that. We press this button here.
Yeah.
And let's do the shot. This is this. Okay, let's rotate it a bit here.
I'm feeling like a spy now.
Yes. Okay, let's get it back to us.
Oh, that's a cool footage. Whoa, something happened.
Ah, yeah. Something with the camera.
I don't know why this... Oh, okay, now it's okay. So what do you say about easiness of dealing with that? Like, is the remote okay? And
yeah, the feeling is quite nice, quite smooth, I must say. And the commands are really feels like immediate response, which is nice. And just need to learn how to maneuver it, you know, a bit better. But it feels really nice. Okay, now the
no signal.
Signal is...
Yeah, we're losing signal. We can return home. Can you press return home? Because, okay, now in flight, no signal. Okay, we pressed return home. So as we took off from this cardboard, it should also land somewhere here.
Uh-oh, it goes up.
Okay, we'll see if it's gonna be accurate, the landing to the home base. Or maybe landing to the home base is actually where you have the remote. We'll see. Whoa, 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 it's landing pretty fast,
It's a manual landing.
Ah, no, can you press the home?
Yeah, it's doing the home.
Look how accurate. Okay, it's quite accurate. Let's say maybe 30-40 centimeters from the place it took off. We didn't break it, we see everything is fine. So after this short flight, for the first time, what would you say?
I would say it was great fun to try to fly it up, down, to the sides. It's great fun, and for the first time, it's, for me, it's a great success. We didn't break it. And let's say that 2 batteries are essential.
Yeah.
To use only 1 battery, it's like half of the fun.
Yeah, you will not get full 16 minutes, no? It's like, it will push you to land to the home base when you are like about 20% of battery, so it's not full 16 minutes, as they say.
Yeah, you don't use the 100% of the battery, I think, for safety reasons.
Yeah.
And well, we hope to see the quality of the video, which looks okay. And the no signal thing that happens quite often, we don't know why. It wasn't very far from us.
Yeah, I believe that it can be caused because there is the airport nearby, so maybe it's some kind of problem with that. No, I don't know.
Might be affecting the radio connection, or they don't want you really to fly it. We are 10 kilometers from the airport, but maybe this is a bit, I don't know, related to that.
Yeah, for me it was fun. It was really fun. It was easy, yeah. Like, I think it's something like super easy. Everybody can do it. The only thing that annoyed me was this no signal thing. I am hoping to see the good quality video, because this is what I pay attention the most. And well, like in the next video with our drone, we'll show you all the tricks, because it has this like cool tricks too. Do you remember which ones?
Yeah, it has quite a few modes. There is the gesture mode, which you direct and maneuver the aircraft with your palm and with your arms. You can make the selfie with your fingers. And there are other modes, and we're going to check them out in the next videos.
Yeah, we have to learn how to fly first, yeah. Okay, so I think that's it for today, and we'll see you next time. All the drone footage today is raw, without any color correction. Subscribe to my channel, as I upload every Friday and Sunday. We will be updating you on our drone situation as much as we can. If you like this video, give it a thumb up and comment down below. Don't forget, you can also visit me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!